Want to find out more about the best affiliate email marketing programs? You finally reached the promised land. Affiliate marketing has been around for a long time and has been shown to be a good way to make money passively. This is good for both businesses and individuals. You tell people about a product or service, and if they buy it, the company you're promoting gives you a commission. When you add all of this to the fact that email marketing is still going strong and has a huge return on investment of $49 for every $1 spent, you can see why it's a good idea to focus on the email marketing niche and find the best high-paying affiliate email marketing programs. But enough about theories. Let's get down to business and talk about the 5 best affiliate email marketing programs for 2022. Number 1. MooseEnd. MooseEnd is an all-in-one email marketing and automation platform that provides a straightforward way for users to create, automate, and personalize their email campaigns. Moreover, the platform includes lead generation tools, such as subscription forms and a landing pages builder, and other useful tools like Refine, the subject line optimizer. Commission rate and type: 30% lifetime recurring. Cookie duration: 90 days. Payout method: PayPal plus Stripe. Best feature: 30% lifetime commissions. MooseEnd is among the top-rated affiliate programs that can bring you one step closer to passive income with its lifetime recurring commission model. Specifically, affiliate partners earn a 30% lifetime recurring commission for every monthly or pay-as-you-go plan that your referrals purchase. So you keep making money for as long as your contacts remain paid customers. But wait, it gets better. In case your contacts decide to upgrade their plan, you earn an extra commission. The more they upgrade, the more your commissions increase. Moreover, even if your contacts decide to go for the free trial, you'll get your commission when they upgrade. When it comes to how long the cookie lasts, MooseEnd gives you a 90-day cookie. So if someone you know buys within 3 months, you get the commission. PartnerStack hosts MooseEnd's affiliate email marketing program, and you get an affiliate dashboard that is easy to use. Also, MooseEnd's team is always there to help you with SEO, comparison one-pagers, and ready-made creatives to save you time. Lastly, MooseEnd gives payments the go-ahead within the first 20 business days of the following month. Once you've made at least $25, you can get your commission through the PayPal or Stripe address that's connected to your account. Overall, MooseEnd is a must-have program because it's cheap and has a well-known brand name. It's also easy to promote and has a high conversion rate. Number 2. Streepo. Streepo is an email design platform, allowing you to design responsive email templates fast without having any HTML skills. From design ideas to gamification and quiz elements, Streepo helps you create emails of any complexity, including interactive, real-time, and AMP content. Commission rate and type: 25% lifetime recurring. Cookie duration: 120 days. Payout method: PayPal. Best feature: 120-day cookie. Affiliates of Streepo get a 25% recurring commission on all payments made by people they refer. This means that you can earn $3 to $55 a month for each account you bring in, $30 to $550 a month for 10 accounts, and so on. Streepo gives you 120 days to close a sale and get a commission from a cookie. Payouts are processed once a month, and you have to earn at least $100 before you can get paid. Streepo uses PayPal as the only way to send commissions. The affiliate email marketing program uses First Promoter's platform, which has easy-to-use dashboards that let affiliates track clicks, sign-ups, and payments by their referral link. A lot of people like the last-click attribution model that the program uses. Also, Streepo gives you a lot of promotional materials to help you do well with the affiliate program, and their support team is ready to answer any questions you may have or give you more materials. Number 3. Getresponse. Getresponse is a marketing and email solution combining features like marketing automation, landing pages, email marketing, and autofunnels. Through this comprehensive marketing platform, users can create content, boost sales, and increase traffic. Commission rate and type: $100/sale flat or 33% recurring. Cookie duration: 120 days. Payout method: check, Euro transfer. Best feature: 2 different commission models to choose. Getresponse's affiliate program gives bloggers, e-commerce sellers, and small businesses 2 different ways to bring in extra money. For every sale of a paid account, you can choose between a flat $100 commission or a recurring 33% commission. So the first one is for people who want to get paid quickly, and the second one is for people who want to make money without doing anything. With Getresponse, you have 120 days to close the sale with a cookie. Also, as soon as you join the program, you can use free marketing materials like videos, banners, and sales copy to help your affiliate efforts. You can earn commissions on everyone who signs up as an affiliate, and there are no fees to join. Payments are made every month, and you can choose to get paid by check, etch, or euro transfer. Last but not least, Getresponse's Affiliate Manager is there to help and give business advice to the company's partners. Number 4. Convertkit. Convertkit is an email marketing platform enabling creators to earn a living online through its audience building and email marketing capabilities. Along with other useful tools, the platform also enables you to build stunning landing pages to share your ideas on the fly. Commission rate and type: 30% lifetime recurring. Cookie duration: 60 days. Payout method: PayPal. Best feature: webinars to use as a funnel. Even if you are not a customer of Convertkit, you can still join their affiliate email marketing program. LinkMink's platform is used to run the program, and it's easy to join. The company says that all you need is to know how to use Convertkit's powerful features and to have an interested audience that needs an email marketing tool. As far as commissions go, the program offers 30% recurring commissions on every sale as long as the account of the person who referred you is still active. So, in practice, you can start making $8.70 per month for each account you refer and so on. The affiliate cookie is good for 90 days and works based on the last click. The company also gives you graphics and videos, as well as webinars that can be used over and over again. On top of that, you also get a free training course with Pat Flynn, who is a well-known person. On LinkMink, you can find everything about your account on the analytics dashboard. This is also where you can track your progress and manage your payments and affiliate links. Number 5. Mailerlite. Mailerlite is an email marketing solution allowing you to become an email marketing expert with advanced tools made easy for you. The platform boasts 24/7 support, plus cool new features like landing pages and effective automation. Commission rate and type: 30% lifetime recurring. Cookie duration: 30 days. Payout method: PayPal. Best feature: custom partner dashboard. For every successful sale, Mailerlite affiliate partners can get a 30% lifetime recurring commission. This affiliate email marketing program is great for bloggers, marketers, and agencies alike. Before you can cash out commissions, you need to have at least $50. Affiliates get paid 4 to 5 days after they ask for payment, if they meet this requirement. PayPal is the only way to get paid, which is fine for most people. Mailerlite gives its affiliate partners a custom partner dashboard where they can see how much money they are making in real time and use referral statistics to improve their performance. You also get access to free marketing materials, such as the company's professional branding and marketing assets. But there are some rules about the program. Mailerlite's affiliate partners can't use online advertising services like Google AdWords, Bing Ads, etc. to promote Mailerlite, which is a shame. Affiliate email marketing programs are a great way to generate a smarter passive income while promoting useful and highly sought-after products. The choice is yours. As far as commissions go, these programs will pay generously no matter which one you decide to promote.